Hey guys, welcome to my channel, Live and Eating Well. I hope all is well with you guys. I'm doing some meal prep for the week. I'm trying to start eating healthier. So right here you can see me cutting up some sweet peppers. Y'all, my neighbors are so awesome. So one of my neighbors gave me like a whole bowl full of sweet peppers. And here I am just slicing them up. I'm making shrimp tuna salad and also buffalo chicken salad. Y'all, if you're not putting shrimp in your tuna salad, like, what are you doing? I'm putting you on, okay? I'm putting you on. Just, you welcome. Thank me later. But y'all, it's Sunday night, and I'm like, you know what? I want to eat healthy. I don't want nothing fried or cheesy. So, I'm just going to make me some salads, and that's what I'm doing. I'm prepping that. And, I'm also making roasted chicken, but the roasted chicken is going to be in another video as well. So I just finished up slicing my sweet peppers. I'm going to slice this onion really quick. And y'all, sweet peppers, onions, garlic, carrots, green peppers, y'all, you have to have the base for your food. You have to start with the base, a good base. And a good base is always fresh vegetables, fresh garlic. That's always the good base. And then from there you just layer your meats, your seasoning, you just layer from there. So in that pan y'all see the onions, the carrots, and the roasted peppers. The red peppers. That's going to be what my chicken is going to go in. That is called a temptation dish. Y'all, these dishes go in the oven. They go in the refrigerator. They're beautiful, but they bake. Y'all, the food comes out amazing every time. And y'all, you see me pretty much mincing onion, green pepper, red pepper, and I'm going to do a carrot. Y'all, that is going to be for my shrimp tuna salad. I can't have no hunks of onions, peppers, and stuff in no shrimp tuna salad. I can't have it hunked up. I got to have my stuff minced. So I take my time, and I mince my vegetables whenever I'm going to put it in. So, y'all, this shrimp right here that you're about to see, y'all, I did a half a stick of butter and a half a cup of Olive Garden Italian dressing and some seasoned salt and garlic powder. Y'all, the best shrimp. Do you hear me? And then I put my chicken in that same sauce after I took my shrimp out. And I added the chicken breast, onions, the sweet peppers, and in that pot on the back, I have some chicken broth going. I added that as well. And like I said, with some seasoned salt, garlic powder, and some McCormick chicken seasoning. Y'all, so good. Do you hear me? So good. Because I took one chicken and I cut it up. The chicken breast I used for chicken salad. So y'all, here's that shrimp that I had cooked for my shrimp tuna salad. I'm just chopping it up. I'm telling you, y'all. 1/4 stick of butter. A half a cup of Olive Garden Italian dressing, and some seasoned salt and garlic powder. Y'all, saute it on the stove. Thank me later. But y'all, this is fresh dill. I'm just mincing that up to put that in there. Y'all, fresh dill in the salad takes it to the next level. Chunk like in oil, not the water, takes it to the next level. Just drain that oil off. Thank me later. Of course, I got to add my salt, pepper, garlic powder, a little bit of French mustard, of course, a little bit of relish, and a Duke's mayo. And I'm telling you, y'all, that shrimp tuna salad, amazing. So with shrimp, tuna, a little bit of carrot, onion, red pepper, green pepper, and fresh dill. Y'all, very good, very healthy. Eat it with some cucumber, which is what I've been doing, or some crackers, which is you can do as well. Now here I am making my buffalo chicken salad. Y'all, yes, I do have to get me a chicken shredder, but For now, I'm going to do them. Yeah, I had to taste that piece. But for now, I am chopping up my chicken, rough chopping it. And I'm rough chopping it because how I'm going to eat this buffalo chicken salad, I'm actually going to stuff it in some celery sticks and eat it like that. You know how some people spread peanut butter on a celery stick? I'm actually going to stuff my buffalo chicken salad into the celery stick. And that's going to be my little snack or my little quick lunch. You know, very filling, very healthy, very tasty. And y'all, that's just that seasoned chicken, that Buffalo Wild Wings medium buffalo sauce, Duke's mayo, the onions, the red peppers. Y'all, I seasoned that chicken. It was good. That came out really good. But y'all, that's just a quick meal prep.